Hi there, welcome to Bell CB and another tune-up report for our Galaxy DX-2547. This is for Brad in California. Brad asked me to put echo. We put it right here in the front instead of his phono jack. I don't know if I can get around the back side here and show you. We put the phono jack in the back here, so it's not gone altogether, just relocated. Not going to use it much. We've also done 120 channel mod right here. It goes up 40 and then it goes down 40. What we got? Lower side, upper sideband, lower sideband, and AM. Okay, we did the receiver improvement mod and we did the bright LED lighting in here. Clarifier mod, push this in and slides down 7, up 4. Okay, let's check it out on the watt meter, Brad. Got 10 watts dialed in across the top here. Coming about 5 all the way up. Roll that down. 1 all the way down. On the peak reading meter, 50 watt slug. We see in power close to 30 over here.
Audio check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sideband. Upper sideband. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio. Okay. Let's check it out here.
Audio check, check.
Okay.
I beg her 1-9 for radio check.
Who's that hand that pulled the plug? How about that 308? How about that 308? You got a copy on 442?
Hey, now be nice. Gotta go. Get the scotch.
How about 305? Damn, how about a local? Anybody want to give me something?
What you got going on?
I was just trying to find out how this thing sounds.
Sounding good.
I appreciate it.